Yeah, hi guys. Good evening. My voice is audible. So let's start our CryptX live for today. So let's see what gold and BTC is doing. So first, if we check BTC in the daily time frame, so you will see what BTC is doing. Basically, it is in the same range for the last 2.5 months. If you see here, before that it started falling rapidly from this level, which was almost 100,000 level. From there it started falling and it almost corrected till 60,000. So almost 40,000 it corrected from here. And if we check from the top, you see here, this was the top here, 126,000. So from there it almost corrected 50%. And still it is only at the range of nearby to 70,000. If you see for the last few days, it is only sustaining at nearby to 70,000 only. So first thing is that we need to find out the trend of the asset in the overall time period. So in the overall time period, you can see is that trend is completely sideways. If you see, it is trying to get some momentum or some buying pressure from these levels, but ultimately what's happening is that overall structure and due to geopolitical tension, the price of the BTC is not sustaining at the higher levels. And every time it is trying to sustain above 70,000, 72,000. What is happening? Again, selling is coming and selling is triggering very fast. You see here it tested 72,000, again selling. Here it tried to give a breakout, but again selling came. Then this was a third point or third time when market or the BTC tested 72,000 level and again it came down. So now what is the reason that why BTC is falling? Because what is happening now? Oil is going up. So when oil is going up, all the commodities, all the asset classes which are trading against the US dollar, they are getting weaker because there is selling coming into that. So every player, every institutions, what they are trying to do is that they are trying to take buy more oil. So in order to purchase oil, you have to trade in US dollars. So now, right now, what they are doing is that they are selling their other asset classes. Even if you see BTC also, gold also, silver also. So right now we can see there is some heavy selling pressure in all these assets. So gold chart also, if you see here, gold gave a very sharp decline from 5,000 level. So from 5,000 to 4,100 it came. And if you see in how many days, only 4 working days. So means 20%, almost 18% it corrected in only 4%, in 4 days. And again now it is making kind of structure. But again, if you see here, as long as it is sustaining above 4,600 levels, we can say that maybe some fresh buying can come. Otherwise, what is happening? Gold is also same like BTC or silver also, like they are in sell on rise. So prices are not sustaining at higher levels. So this is the overall trend in higher time frames. Now we can go in daily time frames to 30 minutes, try to find out from which levels we can see that there is a major supply or support zone or demand zone you can see. So first level is this 4,600 levels, guys. So first level is 4,600. So this is the level from where a major demand zone, supply zone is sitting. So first what we need is that we need gold to give a breakout above this level. Then only what we can expect is that gold can trigger fresh buying. There can be fresh buying in the gold side. Otherwise, what will happen is that again it will start sustaining downside or otherwise it will start taking rejection from the lower levels only. So this is the first thing in gold and this is the supply area. Now if we talk about support area, so support area will somewhere come around here, 4,450. So this area for me is a major demand zone. So what I can do is that if I'm again seeing that there is a selling pressure in gold and again gold is coming to these levels, which is 4,450 and 60, what I will do is that I will try to go long. So first thing what I will do is that I will try to create a long position here. What I need is that I need price to sustain at these levels. Then I will try to go with this trade. Again, we will go with 1 is to 2 only. So this is the like my point of view for the gold, and let's see silver also. So silver also, if you see silver today again, it is trying to get some strength. It is up by 2.5%. So what we need is that we need again silver to go above 71, 72 levels. So once we get silver start sustaining above 71, 72 levels, what will happen is that we can see some kind of strength in silver again. So yeah, hi Abhishek, hi, how are you? Is anyone here to any trade here in gold, silver, BTC? Anyone wants to discuss? If anyone has taken any trade? So this is 72 levels for silver. Let's check in our CryptX also, like whether we can find some good trade or not. So we'll try to take a trade in CryptX also. So if you see here, this is the trade of price of BTC in CryptX, 67,800. So again, what is happening in BTC is that it is taking rejection from 70,000 level, which are these levels. Sorry, not this one, these levels. So 70,000 levels. So if you see here, it gave a very good breakout here also. What we can do is that we can try to go long from these levels. You see here, guys, we can try to go long from these levels with a stop loss of 600 points. And I can try to hold up to 69,000 first. I will try to hold, which are these levels. So this can become a very good trade for me. One is to almost three, more than one is to three. Yeah, yeah. So Abhishek is asking like planning long in BTC. Yeah, Abhishek, we are doing the same thing. I'm also expecting long in BTC. And if you see here, this is the levels which I will try to go long from. Why? Because there's a lot of liquidity sitting here. It gave a very sharp fall and then it recovered almost everything. So still, if you see a lot of liquidity is still pending here, what I need is that I need a major correction again from the BTC, which is testing the level here, and then from where I will try to go long. And one more important thing, guys, today we have some news also. So you see here, Fed Chair Powell will speak at 8 p.m. Indian time. So we can expect a lot of volatility. So it will be a volatile event. So hope so. Like if any trade you are taking right now, you have. You see here, I have guys placed my stop loss target everything. So 68,040 will be my entry level, and 67,000 will be my target. You see, 67,000 will be my target, and again my stop loss will be 68,400. So this trade will be 1 is to 2.5. So I'll plan this trade. Let me remove this position, and I'll try to go short from these levels. So this is the level, guys. I will try to go short. Let's see whether we'll get a trigger of our order or not. So 67,000 will be target. If I'm thinking that maybe BTC is trying to give me a little bit more points on the downside, what I will do is that I will try to trail my stop loss and then I will try to hold till these levels. Another 300, 350 points I will try to hold. So let's see what happens in BTC. Let's check the gold also. So this is the gold chart. So if you see here, so see a very good rally came. Just few, you can say 2 hours back, a very good momentum came in the gold. And then again gold started sustaining or consolidating. But again, if you see here, the structure is looking very good. If you see here, the structure is looking very good. It is looking very good bullish to me. So this level is 4,580. Once we get a breakout of this level, again what we can expect is that 30 40 points we can expect. So it will be 4,600 plus. And once we get gold starts sustaining here to 4,600 level plus, what will happen? Again, we can expect some more buying pressure from the gold, which will be a good thing. Is anyone else who can trade here? Anyone? Anyone is planning any trade here? Let's see. So on the gold for gold upside, this is the major resistance supply area, and this is the demand area. So from here I will try to go long, and if the goal is start sustaining and start taking rejection nearby to these levels, I will try to go short. And if it is start sustaining our 4,600 level, then maybe we can plan even long. Because what is happening now, gold is giving very good direction, either upside or downside. You can see here. So once we are getting or we are seeing the breakout of major resistance level supply zone, what we can expect is that a lot of sellers will try to cover their position, and at the same time, new buyers will enter into the market. And at the same time, if you see, gold has given a very sharp correction in the last 1.5 week. So some sort of adjustment we are planning. Okay, Abhishek Gupta is also trying to go short from 68,000 level. So Abhishek, one thing you have to remember is that thus, whatever trades you are taking, do your own risk management. I am taking trades based on my risk management. And at the same time, if you are also planning any same trade or whatever the trades you are planning, please make sure that you are taking trade based on your own risk appetite. Maybe my risk management, risk appetite is different from yours. So whatever it is, just don't try to copy the lot sizes. You can try to take a trade, whatever the trades I'm taking. If you are thinking, okay, your view is also kind of similar, so maybe you can plan for short position like me. But whatever the lot sizes I'm taking based on my risk management and my risk appetite. So please also, you should also take a trade based on your risk management. So I'm waiting for the trade entry to execute, guys. So let's see what happens. What's going on, guys? Yeah. Short on BTC. Yeah, we are planning short position from 68,000 level, and our target will be 67,000. Okay, good. Taking trade with $100. $100. So, Abhishek, you're taking trade in some kind of forex broker, CFD broker, like with your own real money. You're trading with $100, or you are trading with some prop firm or something like that for CryptX. GM trade in any kind of brokers you're trying to do in CryptX. Okay, CryptX are trading, it's fine. So we are waiting for the trade. And one more thing is that, guys, in 7 minutes, US market will also open. So that will also some new volatility will add into the market. That because impact will definitely be yeah, there. Today is Monday also, so a lot of investors will be eager to trade. Let's check gold also. So right now, gold, if you see here, gold is sustaining. But this was a very good momentum candle. If you see here, guys, 4,540 to 80, 40 points it gives in almost 15 minutes. Correct. But again, corrected almost 45, 35 points in same 12 minutes. Yeah, basically, see, so that is how gold I works. Was waiting for a trade over here, not in CryptX market. I was checking in LOWEX. So what happened here is like I felt that okay, this breakout should happen at like New York session at 7 6:30 after. Then it would be a very good convincing move that okay, it can give a breakout or a breakdown kind of a stuff. Okay, so that is the reason why I didn't punch this order. So then after this kind of momentum I saw, when I saw this momentum, I basically tried to take a trade over here. So when I took a trade from here, this level 66, I tried to capture this much. It was giving me 14 points, but I was expecting bigger momentum. Then it took my small stop loss over here. Here was my stop loss. Then I just dropped it. Here I was again see long. Again it was giving a small stop losses. So better to stop it. That was a good thing. Yeah, so why? Because if you see the gold, it is in a kind of range. This range we are expecting 4,600 level. So this 4,600 and 4,440, 450. So this 150 point of range for the gold can become, you can say, kind of consolidation range. So what gold is needing, gold need right now is a trigger, a news or a event which will push the price on
Euro
the
should dollar should
exactly.
come down, or like crude should come down.
Yeah,
Those are all trigger points. Okay, guys. Anything a good thing start coming to the picture, automatically will basically see the good momentum in gold
yeah,
and silver. Okay, today silver is stronger than gold. Basically, you can try to see here. This guy, you can see it's trying to break out this level, that 71.60 level. It is not able to trying to cross. You see in the morning perspective, or like yesterday also, it tried to came to this level exactly and reversed from that level. And again, it started going upside here. Again, it is not able to close above that level. So once if it is close above this level, we can easily see again one $2 momentum in our favor.
exactly.
Okay, 2-3% is because 2-3% is not a big deal in silver now as of now.
Exactly. Silver is moving like this only.
Yeah, it's very so 2-3% again, one more percentage we can expect in the gold. So that is what we are trying to see here. And Indian market bleeded again today. Okay,
Yeah, so
in
every
a
day 2%.
crazy manner, it is falling 2% again, 22,300 from 26,600, 26,300, 400 from there. You see,
Almost 4,000
4,000
points.
point, 4,000 point in not so
2
many
months.
days. See here, very crazy fall. Okay,
Not even 2 months, we can say.
you see, 56 to 2 months.
So this match means 15% fall. And again, what we are discussing, like prices of the oil. So
Yeah,
again, if oil sustains near 100, we will see even more selling. Maybe we can expect 20,000 levels in upcoming quarter. So right now, what happened today was the last day of this financial year, guys.
yeah.
So new financial year will start from 1st of April. So from there, what will happen? Corporate results will start coming. So now, because oil went up, a lot of uncertainty came into the picture. It will definitely impact their
See the candle, guys. See the monthly
balance sheet
candle.
revenues. Yeah, see the candle. It was a full Marubozu candle.
Same here also. Here also.
Yeah,
Here also.
and everything happened after the US-Israel war.
Here monthly candle reverse.
Yeah, here is was. So you can see a very good correlation.
Buying everybody. Buying FTs. Oh my god. See, compared to this much rise, this is nothing.
Yeah,
Okay, you see, from 2022 it rallied like anything, no? So
double, almost
averaging
double.
averaging is a compulsory thing, okay? So mid cap also started correcting.
Yeah, so now see, a lot of people ask like, what should they do now? How should they invest? What should be their investment pattern? So guys, what you can do now, like right now, if you see Nifty is down 15% from all-time high. So now what you can do, every 1% you can start putting some 5 to 6% of your capital. Let's suppose you have 1 lakh rupees to invest. So for every 1% Nifty is falling, you can start putting 5,000, 6,000, and then when it is nearby to 20, let's say if it is falling 20%, 25% also. So once it is down by 25%, 27%, you can try to put all of your money. So after that, what will happen if the war ends soon, maybe 1 month, 2 month, or let's say maybe next week also. So what will happen once the war is over, that uncertainty will be over, so oil prices will also calm down. That what will happen, then in next 2 3 months we will see a very good recovery. So don't expect that markets will recover in a single day, month or week. It will take a lot of time to generate this 15% CAGR. Now to recover, market will take a lot of time, it will take a lot of months. So if you are doing SIP and all this stuff, so please don't panic. Whatever you are doing, just keep doing it.
SIP to never ever try to stop. See, guys, I will simply tell you one thing. Okay, we guys are doing SIPs when the market is going in bull run. Okay, so we are accumulating lesser and lesser, what you say, lesser and lesser units. Okay,
Yeah.
so when the market is falling, why we need to stop SIPs? We need to push more. So when the market is in a bull run, no, we need to reduce our SIPs. Okay, that is how it works. So you should try to pump in more money in SIP manner. Okay, don't time the market. Don't try to find a bottom in the market. We will never do it. Okay, that's not a sustainable thing. Okay, how many times you will find a bottom?
Yeah.
It's not there, no? So be consistent. Just try to invest in
And
continuous
one
manner.
more thing
That's
is
it.
that don't try to invest in a individual stocks.
Yeah,
Try to invest in baskets,
exactly.
mutual funds, maybe Nifty Vs,
Yeah,
index funds. So don't try to go invest in a single stock. Maybe you are expecting, okay, this mid cap stock, this small cap is down by 40%, 60%. If it recovers in next 5 years, it can give me 5x, 6x, 10x money.
don't
So
do it.
that's not it happen. So please
Whatever
try
money
to
you are
invest
investing, it's
exactly.
everything is hard earned money. Try not to put in one a single
Exactly, in a
again
single
try.
investment asset.
And then again, what happen if it is not
Yeah,
recovering? Market is recovering, then you are stuck. Your money
yeah,
is stuck. You're not
exactly.
able to exit also.
So diversify your portfolio. And first thing is that diversify. Second thing is that don't put all of your money at a single time.
Well,
So every 1%,
and
1.5%
one
try to
thing,
put.
if you see the observation, so basically large cap stock has corrected 15 percentage and mid cap corrected 14 percentage.
Yeah.
Index. So large cap was very overvalued stocks probably kind of also.
Yeah. So if you see, like in 2024, after that, when market made high, at that time, mid cap and small caps were falling faster. Large cap was still holding. But now in this phase, large caps are falling.
You see,
Yeah. So
15.5 lakh crore was there market cap.
30% wiped out almost HDFC Bank.
Array, my
Checking
God.
chart. So
HDFC.
30% from HDFC Bank, India's largest
Shit.
private bank, or largest bank, you can say.
See,
30%.
very crazy fall, huh?
So all the major banks are also in selling pressure.
ICICI is in pressure, SBI is in pressure. But this is surrounding, okay, guys. Nothing bad in these companies, okay? Because of surrounding banks are falling. So everybody will be thinking like that. No, oh my God, HDFC is falling. Then what is the big deal of ICICI? What is the big deal of
Yeah.
SBI? So that is what happens. Nothing is changing. Some minor things are changing. They are getting out of businesses because of other companies. And this stuff are there, but not major. See, telecom industry is also coming like anything. Rallies also there. So TCS, these guys also started bidding.
Yeah. So see what will happen now. Let's suppose in this kind of period when markets are falling because of uncertainty, what will happen?
TCS is down by
Yeah, TCS is
50%.
down by 50%, guys. Infosys
Right, like
also.
market cap 50% is wiped out.
So see, if this is a problem. 15-20% is fine, but TCS falling 50% means there is some problem regarding AI.
16 lakh, 16 lakh crore from 8 lakh crore.
Stock PEC, guys, it is 60 now. It's very cheap, undervalued. So please again don't try to find bottom in these stocks also.
See, return on capital employed is good, return on equity is good.
Dividend yield is very good.
Yeah, yeah, dividend yield is good, and EPS is good.
That is very less.
Profit growth, sales growth is there.
That is a
Promoter
problem.
holding
Like
is in
4%,
very good.
3% sales growth.
Quarter on quarter is good. This is not a recommendation, guys. This is
Yeah.
just for education purpose. Just trying to show you that is decent and who is exiting, who is holding. Just we'll try to see,
Investors.
See, these people are, yeah, they are very strong. The 5 eyes are basically selling because they are, yeah, going out of this. GIs are the basically they're increasing
Hmm.
their position. See, one very good thing is like, see, public is also going out of the business. So that is a very good thing. Okay, public where public is not there, that means it's a kind of a good
Yeah,
thing.
like but
In
because
my
see,
criteria, it's
FIIs
always like
they
that.
are smart money basically. That is the concept.
Hmm.
But still 50% fall is
Alright,
too
gold
big
started
for it.
going upside. What about BTC?
BTC is still our entry did not activity like us. So US
Silver,
market also open.
silver started trailing. Yeah, at that level, it should go above that 71 point.
So silver is sustaining near to 72 levels, guys.
Yeah, silver
Sorry,
is crossing.
71.
It's crossing. It's crossing. Yeah, you can see the crossing above that level. Now we need a momentum from there.
So BTC as of now, if you see completely flat. So if you see major IT stocks, TCS, Infosys, they are down very sharply. If you see again, if I go in monthly time frame, Infosys, so from 2000 to 12,000 means 40% it is down. So 40% almost it went down. Again, which is not a good thing. If I check Tech Mahindra also,
It's beside our company only.
yes, our office is almost side to the Tech Mahindra and TCS office.
We share a single same compound.
Same, you can, yeah, same compound or same boundary wall.
30% down. This is still
30%
fine.
down, yeah.
And you see, it's in still consolidation area only, not so that.
But Tech Mahindra is still holding because I think they have less exposure as compared to TCS and Infosys.
To US or like other.
Let's check. So gold is again trying to pump. So one major news guys, 8 o'clock, Fed Chair Powell will speak at 8 o'clock Indian market time.
You tell me.
Thing is, I think tenure is not started yet. Maybe. Huh? Maybe his tenure is not started yet.
Nothing. One time I spoke. No. Again certain.
No, no. So guys, tell me anyone to can I trade anything you are holding? Anything you want to ask or discuss with us?
You see, almost take one trade.
So now maybe BTC is trying to give us our entry. You can decline. So this is 67,000, 68,000. So we are expecting our entry maybe till here. Mm.
Yeah, guys, it is trying to cross. It should basically close over the stage. It's not scrolling.
Where to check Forex today needs to see if there can be movement in BTC. So Abhishek, you can go to the Forex factory. Just simply put Forex factory. There you can see all the calendar here. So it will directly show you here about all the news which are about to come for today. Then maybe what is the news for tomorrow. Then you click here. It will show you for 31st March, then 1st of April. So this thing we have to track. If you are trading in Forex, you need to track all the major event news which is going to happen today, tomorrow. So because this Forex market is also highly impactful to the news, it will react very sharply either on the upside or downside. And mostly you have to track all the news regarding the US dollar. So whatever the news it is, even it's less impactful also, highly impactful also, like GDP data, US GDP data, inflation data, non-farm payroll, unemployment data, oil inventories, and Fed Powell speaks, Trump speaks. So all these events are very important. You have to understand the timings and then only you have to plan a trade. Basically, those are the time period where what will happen, most of the momentum will come. So in a single candle, you will see gold will be moving 30, 40 points up and down.
Yeah, very easily. So, guys, thank you for attending our live.
So guys, we are closing now. So
Okay.
this position we have taken, we will hold it.
Let's catch up
We'll
tomorrow.
wait
Okay.
for entry to execute. Stop loss target, everything is in the system itself.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Bye guys, we'll see you tomorrow.